Today's video, we will take out the front bumper of 2021 Kia Forte. First, we lift up the parking brake, then we will lift up the car. I am using a 4-wheeler jack to lift up the car, so I don't really need to pull up the handbrake. But if you're using the regular jack that comes with the car, you must lift up the parking brake. Otherwise, the car will fall apart. Once we have lifted the car properly, the very first step is we take out the clips and screws from the bottom, from right side and left side, finally from the top. Now, let's jump into the process. Underneath side, we will take out the first 2 clips using the door upholstery remover. Then a little ahead you would notice there's another clip that needs to be taken out. Once 3 clips are out, similar fashion we will take out the 4th clip, the 5th clip, the 6th clip, and the final 2 clips at the very end right there. That wraps up the bottom part. Now we will jump onto the side. Using the same door upholstery remover, we will start taking out some clips. In total, there are 3 clips. Then using an 8mm bit with a wrench, I'll be taking out a screw which is at the very end of the bumper and the fender on the corner. Screw is out. Now we slightly pull the bumper from the edge. Make sure the bumper is pulled until where the headlight is. Jumping onto the other side, wouldn't be able to demonstrate the takeout process. Side has been damaged due to an accident. Take out 3 clips from here and then one 8mm screw top of the corner right here. Assuming we are done with both sides, now we jump onto the top. Take out one 10mm screw which is right besides the headlight. I'm using an impact gun, but you can use a round head ratchet with a 10mm nutsetter. One screw is out. Now take out 2 10mm screws which are in the middle. And then the final 10mm screw on the other side. With that screw, we are done taking out all the clips and screws. Now we slightly pull down the front bumper completely. Not all the bumpers have fog lights in the world, but this car does. So if you do have fog lights, make sure to take out the plugs for them. Here we are taking out the plug for the passenger front fog light, and then taking out the driver's side plug for the fog light. For those who have never taken out a plug in their life, push and hold this tab and then pull the plug out. With that, we have knocked out the front bumper completely. Please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.